Hello and welcome to this edition of Fact or Fiction, the show that sheds light on the hottest IT solution trends and separates the reality from the hype. In this episode, we're going to tackle the topic of hybrid cloud, and specifically, achieving a single pane of glass to monitor your data center. Fact or fiction? Over the next 5 years, achieving a single pane of glass for management of your hybrid cloud will be impossible to attain.
Fact. I think we're getting a little closer to single pane of glass management. We're seeing progression from many suppliers in the industry. But I think of consumption from an IT point of view today in 3 areas: the intelligent edge, the core, and the cloud. Let's take a look at the intelligent edge and what's happening there. Think IoT and think this different type of workload, this different type of set of things that are operating. That's going to require a different skill set, different languages, and as such, a different management pane of glass. Think about the core infrastructure and the applications that are owned there, the IT-owned applications, the file, the print, the DNS, the WINS aspect of things. That requires a pane of glass from a management point of view. And then the hybrid cloud and those workloads, what's happening from a test dev point of view, what's happening from a development point of view, what's happening from a born in cloud point of view. And are we actually under the assumption that these hybrid cloud or these cloud consumption aspects are being driven by IT? It could be that these are SaaS applications with management panes of glass that are provided by a third-party company, not under the control of IT. And for those reasons, I believe it's fact.
I would say fiction. I think you've seen single panes of glass emerge in the IT service management space, in the security space as well to a degree. I think you'll see the same thing in hybrid cloud over time. I think companies will still see a case where you might use individual tools to manage specific problems in the hybrid cloud space, particularly in the freeware, openware space, the same way you do in security. But I think from a management and a decision-making perspective, there's a very hard drive to achieving that single pane of glass concept so that we take some of the complexity out of the multi-cloud environments. I think you're going to see companies perhaps like Splunk move harder into that area than they have in the past and provide a lot of potential to give people a full 360 view of their environment and not just be environment specific or discipline specific like network or storage. So I do think you'll see that in the next 5 years. It won't be 100%, but I think you'll see major strides in the idea of a single pane of glass.
So stay ahead of what's ahead. Learn more from our IT experts or chat with them directly about this and other tech trends. Just complete the forms on YouTube or follow us on Facebook or LinkedIn.